M is y, delta y by delta x, right?
Yeah, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We're doing problem 1 of the assignment 2. Everyone is okay. Have they found the problems?
Yeah, so
Already read out the problem and solve it. The first problem. Aditi?
So I'm not able to find it.
Then why are you not asking me? I'm not able to find it.
I was looking.
If you go in the classroom, where are you right now?
I'm in the classroom, I think.
Google Classroom, 11 Expert Tute Maths.
Yeah,
Classwork. Top center is classwork. Have you found it?
I'm not able to get it.
Share your screen. Share your screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, Akshat, you tell me. Aditi, you'll tell me the next answer. Yeah, Akshat,
I got tan inverse of 6 by 5.
6 by 5.
Yeah. I think we're
Are you
making
sure
a
about it?
mistake. What?
What is your M1? Oh, sorry, what is the slope of first line?
MAB is 1 by 2.
1 by 2, ठीक है.
And MBC is 7 by 4.
M2 is 7 by 4. Now what are you doing?
What? Then it's tan theta is M1 plus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2.
फिर से बोलना formula?
M1 plus M2.
No, it is M1 minus M2.
Oh. Then wait, I'll just fix up the answer and tell you.
so I got tan inverse of 2 by 3.
Yeah, it is 2 by 3. So theta is tan inverse of tan theta is 2 by 3.
But then my answer is coming. Okay, it's mod. Sorry. It's
Okay.
tan inverse of 2 by 3, right?
Yes, tan inverse of 2 by 3. For the second one, Aditi, you tell me the second one, how to do it.
Sir, I'm still doing that.
First one.
Yeah.
Okay. Sahaj, do you know how to do this? Second one.
I'm solving that one right now.
Okay. अरे second one or first one?
Second one.
अरे तो बताओ कैसे करना है, मतलब सॉल्व मत करो, आप मुझे बताओ कैसे करना है. यहाँ स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है ना?
Let me tell. 7x minus 4y is equal to 0. So that means, so we'll do the x-intercept wala thing. So when we take x as 0, y will also be 0.
ठीक है. डायरेक्टली स्लोप निकालना है तो y is equal to फॉर्म में लिख दो. जो x मल्टीप्लाइड है वो स्लोप है.
I didn't understand क्या बोला आपने अभी.
मैंने बोला कि अगर डायरेक्टली स्लोप निकालना है तो y इक्वल टू mx प्लस c में लिख दो. y इक्वल टू समथिंग लिखोगे तो x के साथ जो मल्टीप्लाइड आएगा वो स्लोप होगा.
अच्छा.
इसको लिखो y इक्वल टू फॉर्म में.
So minus 4y is equal to 7x.
सच में?
हाँ. Wait, minus 4y is equal to minus 7x. So 4y is equal to 7x. So y is equal to 7 by 4x.
तो m1 कितना हुआ?
7 by 4.
m2?
M2 3x minus 11y, which is equal to minus 5. So minus 11y minus 11y is equal to minus 3x minus 5. So then y is equal to minus 3 by minus 11 x minus 5 minus 3 minus 11 plus बन जाएगा. So it'll be 3 by 11x plus 5 by 11. So mod would be 3 by 11.
इधर मॉड नहीं लेना है.
Sorry, m2 would be equal to 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11, है ना?
नहीं, बस 3 by 11 जो x का.
हाँ, yeah, sorry, my fault.
हाँ, फॉर्मूला क्या है? What is the formula?
Tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1. So m2 is 3. Wait, upon 1 plus m1 m2. So हाँ, इसमें mod आएगा. So m2 is what? 3 by 11 minus 7 by 4 whole upon 1 plus multiply वाला sign 7 by 4 into 3 by 11.
plus है, plus.
Sorry, plus वाला, हाँ, उसके बाद है उससे multiply वाला sign. Now this solve करना है अब बस. So I'm solving now the top thing. LCM will take 44 for the up one. Up and down दोनों का 44 आ जाएगा LCM. So 12 minus 70. Wait. 11, 77, yeah. Upon 21 by 44. So 44 plus 21 upon 44, yeah. 44 part.
सही है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's tan theta is 1. Theta is 40.
Theta also 45 degree.
Yeah.
Okay.
So didn't you tell कि हमें डिग्री में कभी नहीं लिखो, रेडियन में लिखो हर बार?
हाँ, sorry. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. अच्छा चलो ये लिखो. If two lines are perpendicular, what is theta?
90.
90.
Pi
What
by
is
2.
tan theta then? Tan theta क्या होता है 90 का?
No, undefined.
Not defined, right?
Not defined.
मतलब denominator is 0, right?
Yeah, denominator is 0. Okay.
This implies that if this side is denominator is 0, that means this इसका denominator is 0. That means m1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0. This implies that m1 m2 is equal to minus 1.
1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay. So this is for two perpendicular lines. For two perpendicular lines, m1 m2 is minus 1. Very important. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
ठीक है. अंडरस्टैंड में आया कि नहीं? So the next question is, everyone got it? m1 m2 is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Rupak, you tell me how to do this. The next question.
okay.
Hello. Yeah, Rupak, continue.
So when you isolate y in the equation, it'll be y is equal to,
Question to bol do.
okay, find the angle which the straight line perpendicular to the straight line root 3x plus y is equal to 1 makes the positive direction of the x-axis.
Okay, तो ऐसा बोल रहा है. There is a line with root 3x plus y is equal to 1. So he's asking find the angle with the straight line perpendicular to the straight line. So there is some straight line which is perpendicular to this. Okay. He's asking what angle is this making with the positive x-axis? ऐसे ये this axis. ये how much is this angle? Okay.
Okay.
Basically, he's asking the slope of this. Okay. Yeah. Now continue. How will you do this?
Okay, so first when you find the slope of that first one, so when you isolate y, it'll be y is equal to minus root 3x plus 1. So the slope will be minus root 3. Then we just did that. So m1, m2, the second one's line, m1 is equal to minus 1.
M2 is how much?
Minus 1 by minus root 3. So m2 is 1 by root 3.
That means tan theta 2 is 1 by root 3, right? That means theta 2 is how much?
30, pi by 6.
30 degree or pi by 6, correct. Okay. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. The next question is, Achha, 1 second, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Aditi, you understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the next question. So Saksham, you read it and tell me how will you do it. Don't do it, but tell me how will you do it. Read the question.
Prove that P 4,3, Q 6,4, R 5,6, and S 3,5 are the angular points of a square. So basically we need to prove that the angle is 90. Sir, so we need to prove that the angle between any two of them is 90 degrees.
What will you do?
So we'll calculate the slopes.
Okay. Suppose I calculated these slopes M1, M2, okay, M3. How will you calculate the slopes M1?
So from the 2-point formula.
बोल दो थोड़ा सा बेटा. एक का तो निकाल के दी बता दो.
Okay, so for S and R we'll do 5 minus 6 by 3 minus 5 minus 1 by minus 2, which is 1 by 2.
Okay. Then we will find for all these 3 points. And
yeah. So if the product of the two would be minus 1, then it would be 90.
Product of which two? Like M2 and M4?
Yeah, no, M2 and M1 and M2 and M3, M3 and M4, M4 and M1.
Okay. Do you need to check all 4 of these pairs?
No, we can do any 2 of them.
Any 2 of them will be done? Yeah, any 2 of them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need to check anything more? That's it. Is the problem done?
I guess the slopes of the opposite should be equal. Like all 4 should be equal.
वो तो हो गई. अगर if this line L1, if L1 is perpendicular to L2 and L2 is perpendicular to L3, then L1 and L3 must be parallel. There is no other point. There is no other possibility.
So they should be equal, I think.
Yeah, they should be equal. It is not a rectangle, right?
Yeah.
Because in a rectangle also, all these will hold. So what will be equal?
The all 4 sides should be.
कैसे देखेंगे?
I guess distance formula.
Yes, distance formula. Use distance formula and check that this side length, suppose PS is equal to SR. Okay.
Yeah.
So you need to check only one pair. That's it. Because parallelogram already have proved, because their slopes are parallel, right? You can see, and they are 90 degrees. So already have proved rectangle. So if you prove that only one
Adjacent sides.
adjacent sides are equal, then all four will be equal. Okay.
Yeah.
You have to do both of these things. I mean, वो M1 M2 perpendicular वाला भी और these two sides are equal also. Okay.
Oh.
ठीक है. Next. अच्छा, next question है. सहज, इसका आंसर बोलो. क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, आंसर बोलो सहज जल्दी.
A straight line passes through the point -1, 4 and makes an angle 60 degree with the positive direction of the x-axis. Find the equation of the straight line. So a straight line passes through the. So isme we'll first. So I'm thinking. Wait. A second. Now let me just think.
Akshat, next one is yours.
The sixth one.
Yeah.
Okay.
We -1, 4 था question में sir. I forgot how to do this. I think I'm confused.
मत हो confused.
We'll be using the formula only for it, no?
Yeah.
60 degrees would mean pi by 3. Wait. So tan 60, we'll take as tan 60, which is equal to √3. So √3 should be equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2.
Yeah. हो गया. And what then, one second, क्या बोल रहा है? अभी ये angle between two lines है. यहाँ पे एक ही line है.
हाँ.
ये नहीं use होगा. This is not angle between two lines thing.
Then क्या है?
M क्या हो? ये है. ये एक line है ना?
हाँ.
Y equal to mx plus c. इसमें m कितना है? √3.
M. हाँ.
So y is equal to √3x plus c. अभी line passes through -1, 4, right?
Yeah.
So if you put x equal to -1, y is equal to 4, this should satisfy. So 4 is equal to -√3x plus -√3 plus c. Okay?
Okay.
ये डाल दोगे तो c का वैल्यू आ जाएगा. c कितना आएगा? 4 plus √3. यानी कि इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगा? ये बनेगा. y is equal to √3x plus c का वैल्यू कितना है? +4 plus √3. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
This is the equation.
Fine.
You could have also done it by this method कि let the point be x, y. ठीक है? अब जो ये जो स्लोप है कितना है? ये जो इन दो पॉइंट्स का है, 1 -1, 4 and y, x का ये √3 है ना? तो y -4 by x minus -1 which is +1 is equal to √3. समझ में आया?
Okay. हाँ.
तो y -4 is √3x plus
x plus.
ठीक है?
हाँ. And then 4 को बस उस साइड ले जाना था.
हाँ.
Okay.
ये हो गया बेटा, सबने समझ लिया ये. लास्ट नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम अक्षर एक्सप्लेन कर दो कैसे करना है. हाउ विल यू डू दैट? How will you do that, Akshat? Hello. Hello, Akshat. No, Akshat is not there.
So, hello, sorry, sir. I went to get my notebook. I couldn't. I was basically writing in the wrong notebook. Yeah. Yeah, so you want me to do that one question? Yeah, I didn't understand what the equal in. I understood the question, but I didn't understand. Has intercepts on the axis equal in magnitude but opposite in sign? So there'll be y and x intercept. They're talking about those intercepts.
Yes.
Right? So how can they be on the axis equal?
मतलब x axis पे 4 है, y axis पे 4 है.
Okay, so basic. Okay.
ठीक है?
Fine. Okay. So it'll be. So you're saying that this, what is it? But opposite in sign. So it'll be on the x positive and y negative, right?
Yeah.
So
It can be. There are two cases, right?
That's the only possible way, right? Because it's already in the first quadrant.
Yes, x positive first quadrant. 5,6 है ना?
It could also go in the y positive and x negative.
ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है ना?
हाँ. Yeah.
और 5,6 से पास हो रहा है तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Correct? दोनों हो सकता है ना?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Anyway. So
Also it'll be either means
intercepts equal
0 comma negative 4 is 0 comma negative 4 is and
let
0
you say that intercepts are a comma 0, right?
Yeah.
तो फिर दूसरी का क्या हो जाएगा?
0 comma minus a.
Yeah. And if this intercept is minus b comma 0, then this is 0 comma b, right?
Yeah.
Basically, if one of the point is a comma 0, the other is negative 0 comma negative of that, right?
Yes. Yeah.
ठीक है, चलो. Now it is also passing through 5,6.
I can't hear you.
Achha, tell me the equation of line which passes through these 2 points. How will you find it?
Slope is -1. Slope will be -1 for both the lines.
-1.
Yeah.
ठीक से करके बताना यार.
Isn't it delta y by delta x?
Yeah, it is delta y, but please use.
Oh, it's 1. It's 1.
1, na? M is 1, right?
For both, so.
For both. Now x comma y, and it is passing through 5,6 also, right? Now what will you do?
Yeah.
What will you do?
So wait, they want us to find like the general equation for the line. So we'll just write y is equal to x because m is 1 plus c.
Now you put 6 and 5 and tell me.
Yeah, so c is y minus x, which is 1. C is equal to 1.
C is equal to 1, very good. So what is the equation?
It's y is equal to x plus 1.
Yes, this is the equation.
So now they're asking the point where the abscissa, see, at which the ordinate is double the abscissa.
Ordinate मतलब क्या होता है? Y coordinate, na?
Yeah.
Let h comma k be a point on this line, okay?
It has to be x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2.
Yeah, it is x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. If you can't see directly, simply say h comma k is a point and k is equal to 2h, right?
Yeah.
K is 2h, right? Because abscissa ordinate is double, right? और k का वैल्यू ये satisfy करेगा, h का वैल्यू ये satisfy करेगा, तो k is 2h, तो 2h is equal to h plus 1, correct? Basically k is equal to h plus 1 because it is lying on the line, and because k is 2h is equal to h plus 1. So how much is h? H is 1. Okay. So what is the point? 1 comma 2. Okay. Understood, Akshat?
Yeah, sir, understood.
ठीक है. Okay. Aditi, do the next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ये हो गया. Distance of a point from a line. I have to do distance of a point from a line.
Sir, is the 7th one the angle 45?
Yes, it is 45. ठीक है. Next concept is very simple. You have to find the point of intersection of lines. So for example, there are two lines, 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay? So simply you have to solve for the point. What is the point of intersection means? What is this point? So it's basically that x and y which satisfies both. So you can put x from this equation, put into this. Suppose x from this equation is how much? 2x plus 3 is equal to y. Sorry, y. And then you put this y, you can put y also. Y you can put here. So what will you get? Your y kitna? 2x plus 3. So you'll get x plus 2 times. What is y? 2x plus 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. You will get 5x plus 6 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2 by 5. Understood? Everyone, please. Hello.
So can you explain it again?
See, you put out x from one equation, okay,
Okay.
and put another one. Or what you can do, put y from one equation and put another one. For example, in this question, what I have done is I have put y from the first equation and put in the second equation. Dekho kaise hai. See, what is y from the first equation? Isn't it 2x plus 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you put that in place of the y of the second equation. Very simple. Okay.
Okay.
Also, you can could have done x is equal to this. So if you do x, if you put x equal to if you put y equal to this, you get x equal to minus 2 by 5.
Yeah.
And then how to get y? You put this x anywhere, in this or in this, whichever it is easier. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll put this x here. Suppose here in this I put x. What will I get? X is minus 2 by 5 plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. What is 2y? 2y is 4 plus 2 by 5, correct?
Yeah.
And this is 4 5s are 20, 22 by 5 I think, and 2y is 22 by 5, so y is plus 11 by 5, correct?
Yes.
So what is the intersection point? Minus 2 by 5 comma 11 by 5. Okay.
Okay.
The another way of doing is you can put x also from this. So what is x from this? 2x is equal to y minus 3, x equal to y minus 3 by 2 from the first equation, correct?
Yeah.
Now you put this x here back. यहाँ पे डाल दो. क्या आएगा? Y minus 3 divided by 2 plus 2y.
You get the same points.
You will get the y value. You'll get, if you solve this, you'll get y is 11 by 5. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's easy. Now, okay.
Sir, we can do that by elimination method.
हाँ, तुमको देखो दो इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने के तुमने मेथड पढ़े थे क्लास 10th में ना, 3 मेथड पढ़े थे ना.
Yes, sir.
एलिमिनेशन था, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन था, डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन था. तीनों से कर सकते हो जो भी तुमको मेथड याद है. मुझे तो डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन याद रहता है, मतलब उसमें कुछ याद करने को नहीं है क्योंकि. ओके. अगर तुमको एलिमिनेशन याद है तो एलिमिनेशन कर लो, तुमको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन का फॉर्मूला याद है तो वो भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. ओके.
Yes.
ओके. अच्छा, इसके बाद है नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट है डिस्टेंस ऑफ अ पॉइंट फ्रॉम अ लाइन. ठीक है, इसको लिख लो, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. डिस्टेंस ऑफ अ पॉइंट फ्रॉम अ लाइन. ठीक है. डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट फ्रॉम अ लाइन क्या होता है कि देयर इज अ लाइन, ओ सॉरी, देयर इज अ लाइन. ओके. Let that line be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and there is a point alpha comma beta. Then this is the perpendicular distance. Okay, this is the distance I'm talking about. The formula for distance is, what you have to do is, listen carefully, write the equation of line, but instead of x and y, put this point alpha beta. That means a, b, c. So instead of x, you will put what? X coordinate of this point, which is alpha. Instead of y, you will put beta, and then you take mod and divided by the coefficient ka square ka sum, a square plus b square. Okay. Okay. This simple, very simple.
Okay.
Write the line in this form: ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. First, you have to write the line in this form: ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and then you write the point alpha beta. The distance is d is mod of a times alpha, the point, b times beta point, the coordinate of the point, plus c divided by under root of a square plus b square. Okay. Keep in mind, this is not alpha square plus beta square. This is not alpha square plus beta square. This is a square plus b square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
1 second, okay. Okay, so Rupak, the next question 9, you read out, you explain, okay?
Okay. Find the perpendicular distance between the line 4x minus y equal to 5 and the point 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so alpha will be 2 and other one beta will be 1.
Alpha will be 1 and beta, yeah, correct.
Okay. So then you put that in the formula.
बोलो पूरा बोलो formula. Solve करो पूरा answer.
Okay. So then A alpha, 1 second.
What is the line? Say the equation of the line also.
Okay, the equation of the line is 4x minus y is equal to 5.
Is it in the standard form?
No, 4x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Then.
What is the value of A?
A is 4.
पूरा बोलो बेटा.
Okay, so D will be equal to alpha into A, which is 8.
Can
plus,
you tell me ABC values, please?
Okay, A is 4, B is minus 1, C is minus 5.
Correct.
So A times alpha 4 into 2, 8. Minus 1 times minus 1 will be 1 plus 1 and then minus 5.
How much is it? How much?
Okay, that is 4 and then divided by root of A square plus B square, which is 4 square plus minus 1 square. So 17.
Yeah, so how was the answer?
4 by root 17.
Correct, 4 by root 17 is correct. So correct. Okay, next one you do, Sahaj.
The 10th one. So are you writing, my question, are you writing anything abhi? Because I can't see anything.
No, I'm not writing anything. Jo bhi Rupak ka discussion.
Okay, fine. So 10th one, find the perpendicular distance of the straight line 12x minus 5y plus 9 from the point 2 comma 1. So in this A would be 12, B would be minus 5, and C would be 9. And then we'll take alpha as 2 and beta as 1. So then formula would be D is equal to mod A alpha. So that would be 24 plus B into beta, that's minus 5, and plus C, which is 9. So this thing would be upon root A square plus B square, that's 144 plus 81.
Plus, wait, 5.
Wait, sorry, 25 plus 25. मैंने C कर दिया गलती से. So it would be 24 minus 5 plus 9 mod upon root 169. So 24 plus 9, 33 minus 5, 28 upon 13.
24 minus 5 कितना होता है?
19
plus
9, 28.
28 by 13 आंसर है ना?
हाँ.
26 by 13 क्यों ऊपर लिख रखा है इसमें? नहीं, सही है 28 by 13. अच्छा याद रखो यार 12 5 का 13 होता है ये, ठीक है? वो जो ट्रायंगल है ना पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट याद रखो. जैसे कौन कौन से पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट है? 3 4 5, ठीक है? और इसी का डबल भी होता है 6 8 10 और 12 5 13, ठीक है? और है
there's one with 27 also, no, which is pretty common.
27
or 25, I'm not sure.
हाँ सही बोल रहे हो. 625
21 7
24 which is 476
24 26 20
ये होता है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, ये इसी का डबल है ना?
Yeah,
डबल
yeah.
ठीक है. Or
724. There's also 724 and 25.
24, 7, 25. Yes. Yes, correct. और भी किसी को कुछ याद है?
We'll check.
याद आ जाए तो इसी में ऐड कर देना, ठीक है? कितने होते हैं पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट? You should remember.
15, 20, 9, 12 and 15.
इसी का ट्रिपल है.
Oh.
है ना?
हाँ, उसका 5 भी करो तो 15.
5 भी करो तो भी आएगा. 15, 20 and
4 भी करो तो आता है. नहीं, 4 से नहीं आता.
4 से भी आएगा ना? क्यों नहीं आएगा? 12, 16 और 20 है ना?
That's
होगा. होता है.
Okay.
256, 144, 400.
Yeah.
Any multiple will be. Okay. अच्छा. Okay. The distance of a point from a line हो गया. ठीक है. अच्छा. हम लोग ने वो कर लिया कि अच्छा ये देखो, अभी तुम लोग ने 10th क्लास में एक कंडीशन पढ़ी थी, if two lines are parallel or perpendicular. याद है ये बेटा? A1 by A2 करते थे is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to, है ना? देखो उसका रीजन समझ में आ जाएगा. अभी देखो रीजन क्या होता है. सपोज एक लाइन है ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. इसका स्लोप क्या होता है बोलो? How do you find slope of this? You isolate y.
Minus a by
minus a by
by is equal to minus ax minus c.
Minus a by
Is
b.
equal to minus a by bx or minus c by b. So what is the slope? Slope is equal to minus a by b. Correct? तो एक बात बताओ, अगर दो लाइंस हैं, सपोज दो लाइंस हैं, दिस इज a1x plus b1y plus c1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2. Okay, these are two lines, L1 or L2. Now tell me if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that means what? That means what? a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2. Correct? Correct. ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके उधर चला जाएगा ना?
Yes.
And therefore minus of this is equal to minus of this. Therefore, are the slopes equal? Yes or no?
Yes.
That means they are parallel. Correct? Correct?
yeah.
This is what you read in class 10th, right? Without understanding. ये पढ़ा था ना? अच्छा, if this is equal to c1 by c2 also, that means they are parallel as well as their constants are equal. That means they are the same lines.
Yeah.
Right? And if this is not equal, they are just parallel. Correct?
Correct.
Understood? And if these are not equal, then they are not even parallel. If they are not parallel, they will always intersect. Understood? So देखो. So for two lines, we have the following possibility. Either they intersect at one point, right? Or they intersect at infinite point, right? Or third is don't intersect at all. Correct? Understood or not? Intersect one point means intersect at infinite point matlab they are same, or they are also called coincident lines. Okay? If they intersect one point, they are not parallel, and they don't intersect at all means they are parallel. Understood? What is the condition for this, bolo? Mathematical condition. Huh?
So for the first one,
it is a1 by a2.
a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2.
Correct. What for this coincident lines?
a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, not
Equal
to c1 by c2.
And for this one, don't intersect all.
a1 by a2 by b1, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to
c1 by c2.
Copy कर लो. Okay. 1 second. So okay, now you tell me this question. Okay, who will tell this 12th question? Hmm? Twelfth one.
So we need to find the equation of the line.
No, you need to just find the, if they're parallel lines, what is equal? The slopes are equal.
Oh yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
And therefore just the slopes of the two lines.
Okay. Yeah.
They should be equal, correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ये तो हो गया. Now अच्छा, okay, so I'm adding some questions to the assignment. You have to do them, okay, and submit the assignment again. This one too. ये हो गया. अच्छा, what is concurrency of three lines? Concurrency of three lines मतलब what is? See, how will you prove that three lines are intersecting at the same point or not? Tell me. L1, L2, and L3. How will you show that they are like meeting at the same point? If they meet at the same point, they are called concurrent lines. Okay. Bolo.
So that one point would satisfy the equation of all three lines, right?
Very good. Very good. How will you find that one point? Suppose you are given question number 14.
Okay. Wait 1 second. So like how we did it before, we can put the equation like x in the next equation.
Basically, you solve L1 and L2. Okay.
Okay.
You will get
Then
a
see if
point,
it
right?
satisfies. Yeah.
And then that point you check if this satisfies L3. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now something out of your syllabus, but still I'll tell you. क्या है कि just write this. Okay. Last point out of your syllabus. ये क्या है कि there is line L1. If there is a line L1 and there is a line L2, then the equation of angle bisector, the angle bisector equation is this. Equation of angle bisector लिखो. Equation of angle bisector. So this line, first line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and the second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then the angle bisector is, equation of angle bisector is this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by under root a square plus b square is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 divided by under root a2 square plus b2 square. If you think about it, plus minus. If you think about it, you understand why it is so. It is so because if you take any point P on the angle bisector, its distance from both the lines will be equal. D1 is D2, and this x comma y is a random point. Okay, that's how we have got a derivation of this. If you see this left nothing but the distance of the random point xy from the line L1, and this is the distance of the random point xy from the line L2. Okay, done. Okay, there is one thing more. So you can do the next question also from this, based on this concept. And and ये वाला भी okay, and yeah, and the next thing is, last thing is position of a point with respect to a point. What do I mean when I say position of a point with respect to a point? देखो इसका मतलब ये होता है, suppose there is a line y is equal to x, okay, this line is like this, okay, okay, so there are two sides to a line, एक side is this one and the one side is this one, okay, understood? So I'll make this colored, I'll call this red side and one is white side, okay. So how do you find if some point, achha 4, 0 is on the red side or the white side?
So white side. White, red side.
Red side. Acha, red side. Okay. Acha, suppose this is blue side. Okay. So I'm putting a point. You have to tell me which side. 4, 0, 0, 4, 10, 0, 0, 10, 2, 10, 10, 2, minus 4, 0, 0, minus 4. You have to tell me whether which of these are red points, red sides, which of these points?
4, 0, 10, 0.
10,
0, minus 4.
0, minus 4 is on the red side, yes, correct.
And 10, 2.
10, 2. All of you understood this? किसी को doubt है इसमें?
So can you explain it again?
See, there are two sides, right, of this line, the red side and the blue side, correct?
Yes.
So if I ask you what 4, 0, where is it lying?
It's
4,
on,
0 is lying on this, right?
yeah,
It is on the red side or the blue side?
red.
The red side. That's what I'm asking.
Okay.
I'm giving you some points. I'm asking which side is this, okay?
Okay.
Acha, how do you make a method of checking is, you write the expression of this line y minus x equal to 0, okay, and then you put the point. Suppose if you put 4, 0, if you put 4, 0, what do you get? You get 0. If you put x ki jagah 4 and y minus 0, what do you get? What do you get value? Minus 4, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is y minus x equal to 0 and you're putting x or y values. What if you put this red point? 10, 0, what do you get? The left side, what do you get? Minus 10, correct?
Yes.
If you put this, what will you get?
5.
Huh?
Sorry, 8.
Minus 8. Minus 8 or 8?
So
Oh,
10
sorry, 2,
minus 2.
sorry, 2, 10 is the blue point. It is not a red point. Sorry, red point. Red point का इसका -4 आया, इसका -10 आया, और इसका कितना आएगा? ये भी red point है ना? इसका कितना आएगा?
-4.
-4. हाँ. अभी जरा blue point का निकालते हैं. We'll find of the blue points, okay? बोलो, इस blue point के लिए कितना value y minus x का?
4.
इसके लिए?
10.
इसके लिए?
8.
क्या दिख रहा है? तुम कुछ ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो? ये ब्लू पॉइंट्स हैं और रेड पॉइंट्स ही हैं.
Blue ones are
Positive
positive.
and negative.
हाँ, मतलब ब्लू पॉइंट्स का पॉजिटिव है और रेड पॉइंट्स का नेगेटिव है. मतलब ब्लू पॉइंट्स का सेम साइन है ना, राइट? So the concept says point on the same side, give the same sign. Point on the same side, give the same sign of the expression you get when you put the value of that point in the line, correct? Understood? I'll show you 1 second. I'll show you on Desmos, okay, how is this working. See, Suppose I write y is equal to 3x plus 4. Okay, this is a straight line, right? Correct? Suppose this is a straight line.
Yes.
What if I write y is greater than 3x plus 4? See, what is this? What is y is greater than 3x plus 4? It is all those points which are on the left side. Okay. Okay. If I plot y is less than 3x plus 4, it will be the opposite side. See. Understood? So the one side is greater, one side is lesser, and the on the line it is equal. Both are equal. Both region intersect. Understood? Okay. For example, देखो. You can easily see y equal to 3x plus 4 is going like this. So if you write y minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the line. Now, if you put 0 comma 0 in this, 0 comma 0, what expression do you get? Value how much value do you get?
Yes.
What do you get?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. That means any point on this side of the line will give you negative value. Understood? And any point on this side will give you positive value. For example, you can check. Suppose if you put 5 comma 0, डालो इसमें 5 comma 0 क्या आएगा? Negative के positive?
Negative.
Correct? And समझ में आ गया ना? समझ में आ गया कि नहीं? ठीक है? तो understood? Yes. और अगर तुम इसमें 0,10 डालते हो, 0,10 भी डाल के देख लो, तब क्या आंसर आएगा?
You get 6.
6, which is positive, right? So now if I give you a line and I give you 2 random points, okay, and ask you whether they're on the same point, same side of the line or opposite side of the line, how will you tell? How will you tell?
If they have the same if they have the same sign, then they are on the same side.
Correct. And if they are the opposite sign?
The sign, they are on the opposite side.
Okay. समझ में आ गया ना? Okay. So okay. Acha. Last thing, how will you find if 3 points are collinear? If they're in the same line, what will you do? Point number 3, to prove 3 points are collinear, what will you do? Tell me.
So last year we did the area is 0.
Yeah, first thing you can do, area is 0. Area formed by 3 point is 0, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next thing what you can do? 3 point given है, बहुत easy है यार. Where you have studied so much in
The slope would be equal.
Yeah, m of 1, 2 is equal to m of 2, 3, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can also do m of 1, 2 is equal to m of 1, 3. This also you can do. Either of these. Okay?
Oh, okay.
What else can you do? You can find equation of line passing through 1 and 2. Correct?
Yeah.
1 and 2, and then check whether third point is lying on that line or not. Correct?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
है ना? समझ में आया ना? तो इसको मैं लिख देता हूँ, find equation of line passing through 1 and 2 and check if third point is lying on that line. Basically, you have to pick any 2 points, find the equation of the line passing through 2 points, and then check whether the third point is lying on the equation of the line you found out or not. Correct? Yes? Okay. Can you do something else? I think it's enough. This is enough. These three methods are okay. Okay. तो तुमको ना ये क्वेश्चन और करना है. Okay. Acha, I am so you have to do these questions, okay, and submit it there, okay, in the classroom assignment. And this assignment you don't have to do it like that, you know, like just write the answers. You have to attach the photograph of the working, okay.
Okay, sir.
And make a PDF
photograph or what?
of the working.
मतलब उस पे ही लिख सकते हैं ना instead of sending a photo.
नहीं उस पे नहीं, वही तो उस पे नहीं लिखना है ना. उस पे कैसे लिखोगे तुम working?
I'll download the doc and like do it on my own and upload
Edit
it.
करोगे क्या? कितना काम कितना लिखोगे यार कीबोर्ड से?
एक सेकंड सर.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कीबोर्ड से तो बहुत लिखना पड़ेगा ना फिर.
हाँ, sorry, yes.
देखो अक्षत वर्किंग दिखानी है तो वर्किंग कैसे कीबोर्ड से दिखाओगे?
ठीक है. So I'll just do it on sheets and upload it. What's the
Yeah,
point
yeah,
of
yeah.
attaching a photo?
Yeah.
Like I'll take PDF and upload it.
Okay. ठीक है. So there are 17. I'll add 3 more and then you start doing it. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
ठीक है चलो. Bye.
Okay, bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.